That's it? That's the lost episode? That was just a bunch of cheap walk cycles!
What a rip!
SpongeBob betrayed us! Potty, don't you know this is Patchy private time? Oh, hello. Ah! What are you all doing here?
They're here to see the lost episode.
But I haven't got the lost episode because I lost it. But it is. It's lost and I have no idea where it is, so it's best if you forget all about old SpongeBob.
You're unsanitary, Patchy. You keep hamburger meat in an old boot.
Well, that's what gives it its special flavor.
You've got rats in the kitchen.
Oh, I brush and shampoo them daily. Who's Patchy's little princess? Oh! Do that!
And you should wash your hands after using the bathroom.
What? Every time?
That's not all.
I'm sorry I ever started this stupid fan club in the first place. I'm gonna get rid of all my SpongeBob stuff! All of it! All of it! All of it! I'm gonna run away! That's what I'll do! Run away! Now, which one of these cockamamie buttons is rewind? No, that's not it. No, wrong again. That's it!
Let me do it.
Oh, get away! That's the light switch!